In this video, I'm going to try to make the HEMA red velvet cake. Sieve 200 g of flour, 10 g of cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt. Add 2 tablespoons of red food coloring to 200 ml of buttermilk. Mix 100 g of butter and 240 g of white caster sugar with an electric mixer at the highest speed for 5 minutes. Alternate adding a little bit of the flour mix and a little bit of the buttermilk. I forgot a step, so I'm adding the 2 eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence now. In a small bowl, dissolve 1 tablespoon of baking powder with 1 tablespoon of vinegar and add it to the mix. Divide the batter in 3 equal parts and bake the 3 cake layers one at a time. Pour it in a round cake mold with a diameter of 18 to 20 cm and smoothen the surface with a spoon. Every layer should be put in the oven for 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Put 250 g of cream cheese, 3 tablespoons of whipped cream, the lemon zest of 1 lemon and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice in a big bowl and stir it. Add the rest of what is left of the 250 ml of whipped cream and 100 g of white caster sugar and mix it with an electric mixer. When it's ready, cover it with cling film and put it in the fridge. Put 50 grams of cranberry compote and half of the cream filling on each cake layer except on the third top layer. I was supposed to sieve the cranberry compote, but I like some bits of fruit in my cake, so I kept it. I wasn't sure if I would like the cranberry compote, so I added strawberry jam on this layer. After placing the third layer on top, put the cake in the fridge for at least 1 hour. Add 150 grams of cream cheese mixed with 75 grams of icing sugar. And 5 grams of melted butter with half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Use an electric mixer for at least 5 minutes. Lastly, carefully mix in 90 grams of melted white chocolate. I was supposed to add fresh strawberries on top with white chocolate sauce rolls, but I only found some frozen raspberries in my freezer, so I'll use those to decorate the cake.